think. Maybe this one adapt to.
Slow.
Now you can dab it too.
Alright, everyone, we're back.
Okay, so I accidentally get this one whole and tied. But I'm gonna show, I just dab some of them on this, all those nails. I just want some, just hint of it. But I suppose to get this one like ombre only. But I put charms on it. So hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Or if you want, you can just rub it. This one will turn into the chromes effects for you. I just don't want to cover that. They're so beautiful. I just want some because I don't want this baby to be covered completely. All right, so great. So this will be available for you later today if you're interested. I love this. There are 6 colors available for you to do with different hints. I'm gonna show you. Like they are like reflection of pink, purple, green. This one is a green, but then it depends on the base and the background that you're using as well. You know, so usually it's available for the trade shows only, but then we'll bring it back for everyone to able to purchase this online because we know you love it so much. And this is like we're doing it in the trade show exclusive and then the classes. So I think it's about time for everyone to able to have a hands on it. And I'm so excited. Mika can't wait. Sarah told me to. She can't wait either. So, all right. So now it's fun part because otherwise Mika would not sleep tonight. She will come see me tomorrow with food. Oh, thank you, Mirandy. Hey, love. How are you? Lyra, thank you so much, love, for tuning in. Hello, Mirandy. Okay, sees one. GIA Diamond. Hey Eric, if you are there. So really thick density of condensed wool gels. I am just using, I think that a lot, but however, if you feel too much, you can always take it off. That too much. However, you don't want it too little. You don't want to do too thick. It's gonna flood your crystal. And also it's not necessary. So blend it on the nails. All right. No wipe top coat on the top. It's just in one of our the second step of Trifecta. So we're gonna do the no wipe top coat on the top and floating on the top. It looks so cute though.
Can you pin that comment for me? Just so they catch it.
This one? Funny, I almost hit delete comment. They're so close and no one else. Oh, where's my calmly brilliance? All right, oh, that's perfect. Can I see the other one? Or maybe I'll do something else I want. Oh, I didn't have yellow. It's okay.
That's okay. I don't mind.
You look pretty. Keep going.
I was thinking. And you can put the charms in between your crystals. I'm looking for... Can you look for me some shells there? seashells there.
First go?
Yep, right here. No, right here. Oh, I found it.
Yeah, another tray.
No, don't worry.
No?
Don't worry, I got it. Look at, she's underneath of the sea and then she was up in the sea. Super cute. And this one is stunning though because if it's summertime for the clients, it glow in the dark, everyone.
They glow in the dark.
It will glow for you. So nice to have everyone tuning in today. Does anyone have a plan tomorrow, Father's Day? It's like I have a client that come in and said, "What you gonna do for Father's Day?" So your husband, he said, he sent me to get my nails done. Let's go get your nails done for Father's Day. Like for him. He's enjoying it. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with this color. You can do randomly. It's really cool and fun about how you create this look. Don't afraid to try anything. You can place your crystals like right tight next to each other. It doesn't matter. It can be big, small, different sizes. As long as you place them close together, really tight and close together, is usually turn out perfect. I'm just trying to get some more.
Shiny Claw says, did we use condensed gel?
Condensed glue gel? Yes. I did it first. And I put the no wipe top coat on. Yes, love.
Happy birthday, Whitney.
Hey, Whitney. Happy birthday. What you doing tomorrow? That's your birthday tomorrow? Oh, nice. Perfect day. All right, so it look like it looks good, but I still need some to fill it in. Can you get me some smaller one?
Okay.
I'm using all the smaller one.
Her son.
Oh, your son? Well, happy birthday to your son. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be good. It's just another beautiful day, and it's gonna be a great day because your son's birthday. All right, looks so good. But earlier when I did Mika nail, I said, Mika, I feel something is missing. I keep telling her, I feel something is missing. Can you believe it? My feet is go numb now.
Really?
Because I was sitting in spot, I couldn't move.
Oh.
See what I mean?
You have
Weird.
pressure on your toes too hard?
Yeah. I think it's just like, I think because I bent it to the chair. Look at this. You know what? I like it, but I kind of don't like it. I'll
What?
take one stone off.
What just happened with it now?
Oh, she doesn't like the placement she did.
I like them, but I'm gonna replace this cute one by different colors. Just me. You know?
Yeah, it's like when you done the guy, like, no, it's not you, it's me.
Yeah.
Then I get a new guy, put it in right there, blue.
No, I don't like it. I'll take it off. Just kidding. People say, Nancy, you stop being silly. It looks great. We're missing a green. Sorry, I'll be like that's all else tonight. I can't sleep. I say, oh, I wish I put the greens on, or should I? I'm just like that. I'm just a little bit silly. All right. Super duper cute. And you can put some beads on it. I'm gonna place some beads on.
Does this feel a little bit empty on the side though?
Huh? What side? This one? That's diagonal, baby. The design?
That side's good. The other side with the shell.
Huh?
No,
No.
I guess the shell's there.
Now he complained about crystal placement. It's okay. Which one? You don't have to do all the beads like I'm doing. If you want to, just play them between each crystals. It's gonna give you a really good complete look. But you know, you don't have to if you feel like you are done. It's just your preference. They look so cute. And I try to, hold on, try to come on. I try to keep them nice and stay inside the frame, which is stay inside the nails. I'm so obsessed with this. Looks super cute. And we will double secure all of them, all these nails, with the precision glue when this one is here. So if you're happy with this, we're gonna cure this one for 60 seconds.
Oh, it's okay.
Let me see, Mika.